Meaning of houndstooth.
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 Houndstooth. Houndstooth is a pattern frequently used in clothing and textiles. It is made of alternating bands of broken checks, with pointed or jagged edges, and is often black and white but can be found in other colors as well. The pattern was originally called shepherd's check and was worn by Scottish shepherds, but gained popularity in the 1930s as a symbol of sophistication. Today, houndstooth is still a popular pattern for suits, jackets, skirts, and accessories, and is recognized as a classic and stylish design.